You wake up tired. Again, no matter how early you go to bed, you feel like your energy's been stolen overnight. And the craziest part? You're not doing anything differently, yet your strength, drive, and desire are fading with each passing week. Most men over 60 accept this as normal aging, but it's not normal and it's not permanent. What if your testosterone was crashing not because of your age, but because of what's not happening while you sleep? The truth is, your body has a built-in system to boost hormones overnight. But if your sleep isn't right, that system stays shut down. Today, you'll discover a simple, natural method to reactivate it without pills or workouts. And once you try it for just 7 nights, you might never look at sleep the same way again.
Most men over 60 wake up tired and assume it's just part of aging. They blame stress, poor diet, or lack of exercise, but there's often something else hiding beneath the surface. It's subtle, silent, and many don't realize its impact until it's already deeply affecting their lives. This invisible culprit isn't something you see in the mirror or at your doctor's office. This silent thief of energy affects not just how you feel in the morning, but your entire day. You wake up drained, struggling to get going, and everything feels harder. Activities you once enjoyed now seem exhausting, and slowly, the pleasure of daily life fades away. It's as if your body has forgotten how to recharge itself overnight. But here's the real issue. Men mistake this chronic fatigue as inevitable. They believe this constant low energy is normal. It's not. The truth is your body should wake refreshed, energized, and ready. What's really happening at night is quietly eroding your natural hormonal strength, especially your testosterone. And once you recognize this hidden problem, you're already halfway to the solution.
For decades, men have underestimated the power of sleep, not realizing it's the most natural way the body restores itself. But research clearly shows a deep hidden connection. Your testosterone is produced primarily during the deepest phases of sleep. Miss those phases, and your hormone levels plunge quietly, night after night, without you noticing. Think about it this way. Sleep is not passive rest, it's active repair. Your body waits until you're deeply asleep to ramp up testosterone production, repair tissues, and restore energy. However, poor sleep quality or frequent interruptions block these vital processes, leaving you depleted in ways you never imagined. Over time, your hormonal reserves diminish dramatically. This is why men over 60 with fragmented sleep often struggle with low testosterone symptoms, fatigue, low libido, foggy thinking, and rarely connect these issues to their nights. Understanding this invisible link can unlock profound changes in your vitality and energy. And the real question becomes, what's actually disturbing your sleep, and how can you fix it?
Fragmented sleep might seem harmless at first. Maybe you wake up briefly during the night and quickly fall back asleep, believing it's no big deal. But studies show that frequent awakenings, even short ones you barely notice, significantly disrupt hormone production, especially testosterone. In fact, men with fragmented sleep can have up to 40% lower testosterone than those sleeping uninterrupted. Here's the problem. Deep sleep cycles build progressively throughout the night. Every time you wake, even briefly, your sleep quality resets, making it harder to reach the deep sleep stage again. As a result, your body never fully enters the phase crucial for hormone production. Night after night, your testosterone slowly declines, affecting your strength, mood, energy, and libido. The reality is, fragmented sleep is a silent destroyer of male vitality. You might assume you're sleeping well enough, but your body knows the difference, and the hormonal drop-off is real. But there's good news. Once you understand this issue, there are simple ways to ensure deeper, uninterrupted sleep and reclaim the hormonal strength you've lost. It all begins by unlocking the secret of truly restorative sleep. Deep sleep isn't just rest, it's hormonal gold. During this phase, your brain sends a signal to begin testosterone production, triggering your body's most powerful regeneration processes. Growth hormone rises, cellular repair begins, testosterone peaks. It's nature's built-in recovery system, but it only works if you reach this stage and stay there long enough. The problem? As men age, reaching deep sleep becomes harder.
Stress, late-night screens, alcohol, and even bathroom trips interrupt the natural rhythm. That means less time in the hormonal repair zone. And when deep sleep shortens, testosterone doesn't just dip, it crashes. The result? Less energy, weaker erections, slower recovery, and a subtle loss of drive. Deep sleep is your body's hidden engine of vitality. If you want more strength, desire, and resilience, the answer isn't always a supplement. It might just be better sleep. And the best part? You don't need to sleep more. You just need to sleep better. In the next step, we'll walk through a 3-step trick that shows exactly how to get there.
Step 1. Lower your lights 1 hour before bed. Dimming lights tells your brain that it's nighttime, triggering melatonin, the hormone that prepares your body for deep sleep. Skip this and your body stays alert when it should be winding down, delaying the start of your hormonal recovery. Step 2. Set a cutoff time for stimulation. That means no news, no arguments, and no screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Mental stimulation, even from a quick scroll, keeps your brain wired and blocks deep sleep. Instead, read a physical book or stretch quietly. Calm mind, calm body, perfect conditions for testosterone to rise naturally. Step 3. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Your body loves rhythm. This consistency strengthens your circadian clock and deepens your sleep quality. These 3 simple habits don't require pills, devices, or complicated routines, but they work. And if you follow them tonight, your body might already start shifting by tomorrow morning. If you stick with these habits for 7 straight nights, your body will begin to shift. The first thing you'll notice, you wake up feeling more rested, like your sleep actually did its job. Then comes the clarity. Your mind starts to feel sharper, your mood more stable, and daily stress feels easier to handle. By day 4 or 5, many men report a subtle rise in morning energy and drive, both physical and mental. That's not a coincidence. It's your hormones responding to deeper rest and natural recovery. You might even feel a renewed spark in areas you thought were gone: libido, motivation, confidence. Of course, this isn't magic. Every man is different. But one thing is certain. When you give your body the deep rest it's been missing, it thanks you. And when you see the first signs of that return, it becomes easier to keep going, especially when you realize how much strength you were losing in your sleep without even knowing it. The secret to long-term hormone recovery isn't in doing more, it's in doing less more consistently. Once you've experienced the benefits of deeper sleep, the next step is making that rhythm part of your life. That means creating a calming nighttime routine, protecting your bedtime like a sacred window, and treating sleep as seriously as nutrition or exercise. Make your bedroom a sanctuary. Keep it dark, cool, and quiet. Avoid heavy meals or alcohol late at night. And if something wakes you up, like stress or bathroom breaks, adjust gently, without frustration. Habits are built through repetition, not perfection. Even a 10% improvement in sleep quality can make a huge difference in your testosterone levels. Remember, you don't need a miracle, just a method. And this one starts and ends in your bedroom. The best part? No pills, no chemicals, just your body doing what it was designed to do. And once this becomes part of your identity, not a fix, but a lifestyle, you'll be amazed at how much stronger, younger, and more alive you can feel all while you sleep. If you've felt your energy slipping, your desire fading, and your confidence slowly disappearing, the real reason might have been hidden in your sleep all along. Tonight, you have the chance to change that with simple habits that work with your body, not against it. Your testosterone doesn't need a pill, it needs a signal, and deep sleep is that signal. So here's what to do now. Drop a comment and tell us how sleep has been affecting your life. Your story could guide another man out there. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, click the card above to watch. Low testosterone symptoms most men ignore until it's too late. It might reveal signs in your body that you didn't even realize were connected to your testosterone. And once you see them, you can start reversing them, starting tonight.